Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I got this beautiful home I'm going to show you today. It's a listing my wife just got. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, very cute home. It's in a corner lot. So what I'm going to do first, like I do all of my videos, is I'm going to go around the home so you can take a look at it, and then we'll move inside, okay? As you can see, it's very well taken care of. Beautiful landscaping. The roof, I think it's new. It's probably a couple years old. Check out the side. Look at that beautiful grass. You got the vinyl fence in the backyard, and it has a pretty big backyard. Wait until we get to it. When we get to the back, it's a pretty nice backyard. Okay, this has a nice driveway. It's extended. As you can see, it's bigger than the others, so you can fit your car very comfortably. And on this side, you have your air conditioning, electric meter, and sprinkler controls. Okay, let me show you the backyard since I'm here. This home is located in the southeast. It's very close to almost everything. Fort Myers, it's close to supermarkets, the hospital. I mean, very close to everything. And I like it because it's a very quiet, grown neighborhood. It's not like there's new construction everywhere. It's a mature landscape. A lot of people like that. But what I like the most is the location. It's very nice. It's close to everything. Okay, let me stand over here so you can visualize the size of this humongous yard. Check it out. Another thing that this home has is, so you can see, it's an extended lanai. So when you have guests and you have a little party, check out all the space you have to be able to take care of your friends and family. Check out the size of that yard. Okay, let's go and let's move inside. I want to tell you that if you would like to know the price of this property, just feel free to go on the link below in the description, and you will have the full report. Just click on the link and you have a full report of this home, so that way you can stay in touch if it's active, pending, or sold. Okay. Okay, you have your screen entrance. As you come in, you have the living room, the dining room. You have plant shelves on the top there. And this beautiful window that brings a lot of light into the house. Then you can see your beautiful landscaping from it. Okay. And over here, you got the dining area. And here's the kitchen. One thing that I like about this kitchen is that you have that beautiful window looking out to your beautiful yard. And also, if you have guests, like I said before, you could open the window up and pass the food through it. So it's pretty nice. It's not set up for it, but some homes that have similar models, so similar layout, what they do is they put like a little countertop on the other side, so then you could pass things through the window. So it's pretty cool. And take a better look. Okay, let's move in to bedroom number 1. bedroom number 1. Check it out. Nice, spacious. Here you have a linen closet. Here's your guest bathroom. Over here, bedroom number 2. You have a window that looks out to the yard. Stand over here so you can see the size. Okay, now let's move over to the master bedroom. Let me show you from this angle, the nice living room. Here is the dining room with the kitchen. And you come down this hallway, and straight ahead is the master, but first we're gonna make a left to show you the laundry room. Here's where your laundry room hookup is. You got shelves on the top. And then over here, you got your double car garage. The water heater. They put some shelves here, so it's pretty nice. Also, you got this counter here that if you're a handyman, you like to do stuff, you could use this to do your tours around the house. Or if you're into fishing, you could set up your reel here. So it's a pretty spacious garage. That's where your AC is, your electrical panel, and your water heater. Okay, let's keep going. Okay. This is the master bedroom here. Pretty big size, nice. It's carpet. As you can see, you have your walk-in closet over here. You have a pocket door for the closet. And this is a master bathroom. Your walk-in shower there. Go outside to the Lanai. And here's a shot from the living room. Okay, we're going to the Lanai. One thing that this has that I like is that it has a pocket door. So the idea with the pocket door is that you could move the doors all the way behind here, and that way you could actually have all this space open. During the winter months, it's very nice here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers. It's very nice. So you could open up all of it. I mean, you don't need to turn on the AC, so it's really nice. So a lot of people spend a lot of time outside. So here, back out here, they put a barbecue, they put a TV, sofa, and they spend a lot of time outside. Also during the summer months, that's the hottest month, that everybody's afraid of, but in the afternoon, most of the time it rains, so it cools off in the late afternoon, and it's very nice to hang outside too. So that's, you know, at night, most of the time at night it's not as hot during their day. It cools off, so a lot of people also like to come out during the summer. Every time it rains, it cools off in the afternoon, so it's really nice. So, well, I think it's the end of this tour. Please tell me what you think about this home. If you're interested in this home, please feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been doing real estate in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area for over 20 years. So we can help you out with this or any other home that you might be interested. If you want information about the area, feel free also to contact us, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.